Hey guys, what's going on? 65 Corvette Nassau Blue, black interior, white top. Great driver quality car here. Color coded for what it has, Nassau Blue black. 4-speed, it has a 350 that's dressed correctly. About $10,000 worth of restoration work done to this car. $350. Great driver quality car here, guys. I'll show you the tags in the door. Any questions, concerns, my cell phone number is 561-632-1400. You can follow me on Instagram at Jupitercarguy. You can follow me on Facebook at Jupitercarguy. And you can follow me on YouTube at Jupitercarguy. Like I said, guys, any other questions, concerns, my cell phone number is 561-632-1400. Thanks, guys.